Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you exactly how we can convert a Word document into an image without using any external applications or websites. So let's dive into this right away. So what you want to do is I'll launch a new Word document or use a pre-existing one. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am using this Word document here with that example text. So I would like to turn that text here, that document text, into an image. To do that, simply highlight your text or the part of the text you would like to save as an image. So I'm going to highlight the entire text by pressing Ctrl A on my keyboard, and after that simply copy it by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard or by right clicking on it and selecting copy here, and open a new Word document, a completely new blank document. So as you can see, I prepared this Word document here. It's completely new. So what you want to do is take a look at that panel here at the top and head over to the home section of that panel. And below you see the option or feature called paste. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon here or press the shortcut Ctrl V. And after that, simply use the paste special feature below. And after that, simply select picture as your output file format, here where it says as, and confirm by clicking on OK here. And that is going to add your text, your Word document as an image, as you can see. So I can now change its size, resize it, rotate it, customize it, and so on and so forth, as if it was an image and actually not a text document. So that's basically it, guys. Now you can save your Word document also as an image in JPEG or PNG format. To do that, simply right click on it, and after that select save as picture from the drop down menu, and after that select an output or download folder on your computer or on your device, give your image a name here, select the file type, like for instance JPEG, and confirm by clicking on save view, and that is going to save your Word document as an image on your device. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.